The occipito-atlantal decompression technique in craniosacral therapy is used to release restrictions between the occiput and the atlas C1. It's basically the junction where the skull meets the cervical spine, and you do it to improve the flow of cerebrospinal fluid, to relieve neural tension, and restore balanced craniosacral motion. For this technique, the client's going to be lying in supine, comfortably supported. You're going to sit at the head of the table with your arms resting on the table. Your palms are going to gently cradle the occiput with your fingers under the base of the skull, just below the superior nuchal line. You're then going to slowly lift the occiput into a subtle longitudinal traction, encouraging space between the occiput and the atlas. You're going to allow the tissues to unwind rather than forcing anything. So you're going to wait for a release. So when you sense a softening or lengthening in the suboccipital tissues, a gentle drop or increased craniosacral rhythmic impulse, or even a warming or pulsing sensation beneath your fingers, you'll know that it's complete. This can take 1 to 3 minutes, sometimes 5 minutes. You're going to slowly release the hold while maintaining an energetic connection as you disengage. This is a great technique for headaches, migraines, tension type headaches, neck pain, restricted cervical motion, and even things like whiplash and TMJ dysfunction.